let your engine running for a few
guys,
seconds.
here we are. We're gonna be doing an oil change on the Honda Civic.
That's copyright.
EX. Nah, bro, not copyright. If it's only 10 seconds. Look at that blue bus. All the people from jail. Alright, guys, we got the young the turbo Civic. So first thing you want to do for this oil change is you want to have a jack ready. You want to have a catch to catch your oil.
Very important.
You want to get your oil filter.
Very important.
I highly recommend one of these because it's always a pain to take it off, like from a Honda Civic. And you're gonna want a socket wrench and your sockets. So let's jack this car up. After that, all you want to do is you want to hop under the car and you want to find your oil pan. Well, I mean, I found the oil pan, but I can't. Oh, okay. It's right here, and you want to take off this a bolt right there. After you untighten the bolt, just want to take it out slowly like this.
I took off the cap.
Oh, and by the way, if you've been driving, it's gonna be very hot, so just be careful with that and just let it drain. And on the top of the car, what you're gonna want to do is you're gonna want to take off the cap so that it lets air flow. And now we just wait. Alright, so for Honda Civics, you have to go all up here, and the oil filter is all the way up here. So this is the oil pan. So the bolt was right here. You have to go deeper inside. You have to unscrew the oil filter. Oh, dude, and it's so fucking hot. Here, get the fucking oil thing and unscrew the oil filter slowly. Keep unscrewing.
Maybe I'll buy you some McDonald's.
Why is this taking so long? Alright, there you go. The oil filter pops out and you just put it right there. And then you get out of the fucking under the car. Say what's up to Sam. All that dirty oil. And we're halfway there. Alright, and now you put your finger on some oil and you just put it on threads. So it doesn't seize. Okay, then you put the filter back, you twist it on. Wanna twist it by hand. Here, let me grab. Hey, pass me the blue thing, bro. You wanna grab something so you could have some grip. And you just want to tighten it as hard as you can by hand. Don't over tighten it like with a tool. And then you also do not want to forget to put your train plug back. So you want to actually tighten this with your tool. And don't over tighten it. Alright, then you want to put your funnel right here, and then you want to add your new oil, and you also want to check how much oil your car uses so that you don't overfill it. Alright.
Time for it to be smooth.
Alright, so his car takes 3.7, so he's gonna add 3.7. Alright, now let's check.
No, still need
Nope,
more of that.
not yet. Nope, you still got more than. Nope. Alright, let's check. Nope, you still need. Just fill it up? Alright, that should be enough. Yeah, bro. Alright. Alright, then after adding your oil, you want to take off your funnel. Like that. Yep, like that. Then you want to put the cap back on. And you're set. But first, let's take a look at this amazing view. Yep. And this is where we did the oil change.
Love your mom.